What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys here the first app that I found that lets you list the NFT and create a NFT store of your own. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys here how to do it step by step and which app this is. It's called NFT Gang. I'll be leaving the link for this for Apple and Android if there is in the description below, so you guys can check it out, click on it and download it. But I'm gonna show you guys here how this app works. So as you guys can tell by the title, this is basically, it lets you have your own NFT store and people can buy your NFTs with all the cryptocurrencies that this allows you to, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. So this is the app. When you open it, let me show you guys here in the settings, how does it work. They actually have in the settings here an article that tells you how it works. So you download the app. All right, make NFTs from your photo album. Now here you can make your NFTs on your phone, or you can make it on your computer and then send it to your phone. Share your storefront web link. Now here's the thing, at the moment for some reason this app doesn't have like a marketplace type explorer page like many other websites out there like OpenSea has, where you can explore, have filters and all that stuff. For some reason it doesn't have it yet. Hopefully they implement it in the future. But you can basically share your web link and it shares your store basically, so other people can click on that link and then see what NFTs you have and buy it with any cryptocurrencies. Anyone can buy your art with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Withdraw proceeds to your wallet, Bitcoin or Ether. And this at the moment is the first one, okay, that I found, the only one at the moment that lets you officially list your NFT and have a store, the first app. But let's say I wanted to create an NFT, or if I wanted to list an NFT, let's say I just wanted to list this, just a random example, continue. Alright, you get to put your name. I'm going to put Brazil food as the title. Then you could put a description, but that's optional. Let me just put Brazil food. Okay, and then here, the sale is $100. $100 is the floor. You can't go less than that. Okay, and then you could go as high as 100,000, which is crazy. And also here it tells you at the bottom that you get a 5% secondary sales fee. So if somebody buys it and then they sell it, you get 5% of what they sold it for. So then at the bottom you just click create NFT. Now here's one of the cons, and I hope in the future that they can make this free. I don't know why they add this, but I think in order to list your NFT or have the NFT store of your own with your own link and all that, you basically have to have like a subscription. As it says right here, you can create unlimited NFTs. I guess the good thing is that there's no fee when you list them. There's no gas fee or anything like that. You can create unlimited NFTs, sell NFTs, withdraw funds to your bank, which is pretty good. The only con is that they have a subscription fee, which I guess is understandable since there's no fees to list your NFTs. If you go to OpenSea, if you try to list one, you're gonna have to pay a pretty big gas fee at the moment. These are the subscriptions. Right here, you can start a free trial if you want to, and then you press continue. You go right here, this is my store. It doesn't have any NFTs yet. And then right here on your profile, it lets you withdraw your funds. If you do sell one in the future, you click on that and you'll be able to withdraw. And then here it also gives your link. Now this link is important because this is the link to your store if you do have one. So you click on the link and then it sends people to your store. They don't have like an explorer page where people can search NFTs. But what I found interesting is if you go into search, you can search up things and you can find NFTs. So let's say for example, I just want to search food, I guess, or good. It just auto. So right here, these are some of the NFTs that people listed that have that as part of the title. So right here, let's click a random one here. Say it, sad goodbye. Let's click on that. And then boom, right here, this is actually one that somebody listed using this app. Okay, right here. And it costs us $3,000. As you guys can see, I can buy it. Okay. And they also have related products. So they kind of do have like an explorer thing. It's just not to the potential that it could be. Like something like OpenSea or Reddable where you can just click explorer, put in filters. But you can actually search topics here and try to find NFTs. So somebody's selling this for this amount. And you can also click on their category, and I think you can see their page and see all the NFTs that they have. Yep. So these are the NFTs that they have for their store. So again, guys, this app is very, very interesting. Like I said, this is the first one of many. There's probably gonna be many more that are gonna let you list NFTs. And like I said, the only con is the subscription. Hopefully this app gets even more improved in the future. They add an Explorer page. Maybe they take away the subscription and add lower fees, something like that. But that's it, guys. That's the app right here, NFT Gang, and that's how you create your own NFT store on your phone, and you can list and all that stuff, and it's pretty legit. So thank you guys again for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.